This training video deals with how to edit a string configuration to be tested in your EC series analyzer. String configurations can be defined in IBMS and transferred to the analyzer. This is the most convenient way to create a string configuration. You can refer to IBMS IM1 and IBMS COM1 for the procedures on how to configure and transfer strings in IBMS. Please also refer to the EC Series user manual for more details on editing string configurations. Let's get started. From the main menu, access Test Configuration. In the next screen, select String Configurations. The next screen lists the different sites with string configurations. These sites are sorted by company region. Navigate the screen with the up and down buttons, and confirm your selection with the Enter key. You can create a new site by selecting New. In the next screen, enter the site name using the alphanumeric keypad. When done, push the down button. Select the available company and region for this site by browsing with the left and right button. Confirm the creation of the new site by pressing the F2 key, or cancel the creation by pressing F1. Both actions will bring you back to the Location Site screen. In Location Site, select the site to edit the string configuration, and press Enter to access the next screen. Available string configurations of the site are listed. Note that the screen indicates if the string configuration is baselined or not. If a string configuration is baselined, or if an incomplete test is associated with the string configuration can be accessed only for reviewing the test parameters or to edit the test settings. You can also use an existing string to generate a new string configuration using the copy function. Use the up and down buttons to highlight a string configuration. The F3 key is now shown as copy. Push F3 to create a copy of the highlighted string configuration. If this option is selected, the string configuration will open with pre-populated values according to the original string configuration. You can select New to create a new string configuration from scratch. The string configuration screen is displayed. Navigate with the up and down buttons between the different fields, and use the right and left buttons to scroll between testing options. Use the keypad to enter information. Note that you can increase or decrease numbers by using the left and right keys. If necessary, parameters are missing from some inputs, the analyzer will display an error message indicating the missing components. Ideally, create a string configuration using the natural filling order of the screen. First, enter the new string ID. The next field is the baseline status. This field is not editable. It will indicate if the string is baselined or not. Because the string is new, it is not baselined. Enter a number of batteries in the string. Enter to access the battery details screen. Enter the details related to the battery in the string manually, or use F3 to select the template. By pressing F3, the analyzer displays the available battery template in the analyzer. Select the template by pressing F2. Review the battery details and save the battery definition. You are back in the string configuration screen. Edit your test settings by clicking Enter either manually or by loading a template. Note that if the strap test or battery test start is on automatic mode, you will be able to edit the auto start delay. Save the changes by pressing F2. Now edit the alarm levels of the string. In this screen, you can turn on or off any alarms as well as modifying the alarm value. You can also load a template by using the F3 function. Save the change. Note the battery type, test settings, and alarms have changed from undefined to edit. Select if you want to measure impedance, voltage, and cell scan parameters. If cell scan parameters is on, impedance and voltage will also be turned on. Enter the number of straps per battery. If the number is 0, no strap will be measured. For tracking purposes, select if the measurement is done on float. Enter the voltage reference value either per cell or per battery. Note that the analyzer will calculate the other voltage value based on the number of cells entered in a battery definition. You can now select if you want to use the auto baseline feature for the string battery. If you select No, you will have to enter your own values. The same applies for the strap. Select if you want to use a strap auto baseline or enter your own values. At this point, you have entered all the necessary information for the string configuration. You can press the F2 function to save the string configuration. You can also decide to enter optional information by pressing the F3 key. The dates function allows you to enter manufacturing and installation date of the batteries. The protocol is the same for both date types, and we will only focus on one of them. Access one of the date type screens and select the battery to enter a date. On the next screen, use either the left and right keys or the keypad to enter the date information. Save the date by pressing F2. Do the same for each battery, or use the copy function to copy the dates to the following batteries. When done, press F2 to save changes, and then F1 to return to the dates function screen. Press F1 again to return to the string configuration. Make sure to save your changes by pressing F2. This concludes our video on creating string configurations in the analyzer. Please visit Global Energy Innovation's website or contact us if you have any questions. Thank you.